Hi, this is the Moto G73 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner and the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, with a simple touch on the power key button, we just unlock the device successfully less than in 1 second. This is the really good result. I just make it with a simple touch and not pressing the power key button, so we can just try this unlock method. But be careful, because the fingerprint is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.